Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rodrigo Tech Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive with multiple ISOs using Ventoy. This process is super simple and will save you a lot of time if you need several tools or operating systems ready on one USB stick. Let's get started. The first step is to download Ventoy. Open Google and search for Ventoy. Go to the official website, ventoy.net, and download the latest version for your operating system. Ventoy is a free and open source tool, and it's very lightweight. After downloading Ventoy, extract the package you downloaded to a folder on your computer. Then, open the folder and find the file called ventoy2disk.exe if you're using Windows. Click on it to open the Ventoy interface. Now, insert the USB drive you want to use into your computer. In Ventoy, you'll see that it automatically detects your USB drive. Make sure the selected device is correct. Keep in mind that Ventoy will format the USB drive, so make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. Click the Install button and confirm the installation. Ventoy will format and prepare the USB drive so it can support multiple ISOs in an easy and practical way. With the USB drive now ready, you can add the ISOs. It's super easy, just copy the ISO files you want and paste them directly onto the USB drive. Here, I'm going to add 2 ISOs as an example. There's no need to do anything else, just copy and paste the ISO files onto the USB drive. Now that the USB drive has the ISOs, let's test it by booting the computer from the USB. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI. Usually, you can do this by pressing F2, F12, or the del key during boot. Once in the BIOS, go to the Secure Boot option and disable it, as some machines block USB boot when Secure Boot is enabled. Next, adjust the boot order and set the USB drive as the first boot device. Now, with the computer set to boot from the USB drive, restart it again. Ventoy will load, and you'll see a menu with the ISOs you added to the USB drive. You can now choose which one to use, whether it's to install Windows, Ubuntu, or any other system or tool you copied. And that's it! Now you have a USB drive with multiple ISOs set up using Ventoy. This is really convenient when you need various installation or recovery tools on one device. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.